Welcome to video lecture. Myself Ashwini R.K., Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rogni College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see about a video lecture on settlement. Settlement is a vertical downward movement of a structure, or we can say the settlement of a structure is a result of deformation of the supporting soil. Or when a soil deposit is loaded, deformation will occur due to change in stress. The total vertical down deformation at the surface resulting from the load is called settlement. The settlement can be divided into temporary, permanent, immediate, primary, secondary, differential, and uniform settlements. Immediate settlement. Immediate settlement takes place as a load is applied or within a time period of about 7 periods, predominates in cohesionless soil and unsaturated clay. Primary consolidation settlement is a part that which is due to the expulsion of pore water from the voids and its time dependent settlement. Secondary settlement starts with the completion of the consolidation. It means during the stage of the settlement, the pore water pressure is zero and the settlement is only due to the distortion of the soil. Differential settlement. Footing resting on a different types of soil, different bearing capacity, and unequal load distribution will result in the unequal settlement, or what we call as a differential settlement. Differential settlement can cause tilting of the structure. The Tower of Pisa in Italy is classic case study of tilting of the tower, 5.5 degrees southward and leaning from 90 is known as leaning tower of Pisa. The reason for the leaning of tower is that the southward side of the clay soil is soft and hence more compressible than the northward side. Therefore, has been strategies and attempt to prevent the tower from collapse. Uniform settlement, where the foundation settlement occurs at roughly the same rate throughout all the portion of the building, is termed as uniform settlement. The causes of settlement is due to the bearing capacity, weak compaction, water table, transpiration, earthquake, variation in moisture content, drainage, pumping leaks, design and construction errors, poor soil conditions, structural load. Bearing capacity. If the soil structure increases to bearing capacity of the soil, then there is a chance of settlement or the foundation will collapse. Each soil bearing capacity is different from other. Weak compaction. When the fill soils are not adequately compacted, they are compressed under the load of foundation, resulting in the damage to the structure. Groundwater table. It is important to note the both rising and falling of groundwater level can affect the soil behavior. Rising groundwater table reduces the bearing capacity of the soil. Drag down and heave. When the footing is located on a compressible soil, there is a chance of foundation failure by drag down and heave. In plastic soil, new settlement are often accompanied by upward movement and heave some distance away. When the foundation failure does occur, it is usually result in differential settlement or heaving of the soil that support the foundation. Transpiration. We all know that transpiration is but less commonly known as a word. It is a word that describes a plant removing moisture from the soil. Trees withdrawing the moisture from the soil in the summer can accelerate soil shrinkage in hot summer months. It is an expansion and shrinkage or contraction of soil that disturb the foundation. It is important to note that both rising and falling groundwater levels can affect the soil behavior. Rising groundwater reduces the bearing capacity of the soil. Lateral loads. Lateral movement in the soil is possible when there is a removal of existing site support adjacent to the building or their excessive overburden on the backfill or lateral thrust on the backside of the retaining wall. Lateral movement is also observed during the earthquake when the structure fails due to lateral movement of the soil beneath the foundation. The picture shows a settlement. Common causes of settlement cracks.